how people lie. They said just snap your fingers, as if it was really that easy for me to get over you. I just need time. Snapping 1, 2, where are you? It's you in my eyes. Snapping 3, 4, don't need you here anymore. Get out of my eyes. 'Cause I might snap. I'm writing a song, so this is the last one. How many last songs are left? I'm losing count. Since June 22nd, my heart's been on fire. I've been spending my nights in the rain trying to put it out. So I'm snapping 1, 2, where are you? It's you in my eyes. Snapping 3, 4, don't need you here anymore. Get out of my eyes. 'Cause I might snap. 'Cause I might snap. And if one more person says you should get over it, oh, I might stop talking to people before I snap, snap, snap. Oh, I might stop talking to people before I snap. Snapping 1, 2, where are you? Where are you? It's you in my eyes. Still in my eyes. Don't need you here anymore. Need you here anymore. 'Cause you might stay. Let's go. 'Cause you might stay. Let's go. Get out of my way. 'Cause you might stay. Get out of my heart. 'Cause you might snap.
Calling you from miles away. I hope and I pray you're still awake. It happens when you pick up the phone. You say hello, I'm back at home. I ask about your day and tell you that I miss you. We go through everything but nothing that we need to say. For a moment I swear I can almost feel you burning, babe. I'm on the other side, on fire with an ocean between us, ocean between us. You're on the other side of this wire with an ocean between us, ocean between us. Counting every breath that you breathe. You're on your bed, falling asleep. I never wanna hang up the call, 'cause hearing you there, it's nothing at all. I hope I never learn an easy way to miss you. We're coming closer, but it's getting harder every day. For a moment I swear I can almost feel you in a burning day. I'm on the other side, on fire with an ocean between us, ocean between us. You're on the other side of this wire with an ocean between us, ocean between us. I got
fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up. Am I more than just the sum of every high and every low? Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. Ooh, oh, you say I'm loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I'm strong when I think I'm weak. And you say I'm held when I am falling short.